So I wanted to take a video of what the palm structures look like around the Trachycarpus Fortunei, the Windmill Palms. Because they only have a couple layers of frost cloth, they actually look like nice little art installations. The covers over the Washingtonias and the date palms don't look quite as pretty, but I do like the glow of the windmills. And off in the distance, you can see the mighty Hudson River as the sun sets here in December. But I just wanted to give you a look of what it looks like. Over here you can see one of mine too, so and that's my canary date palm right there, but down by the pool, the really tall ones, and it's a really beautiful night here in the Hudson Valley. Obviously a little cold, but that's what it looks like here. And we finally got winter. Snow on the palms. So the lights go on and off depending on the thermocube. So this morning is quite cold, but not too cold.